Good Wednesday morning, family. This is Neighbor Simply Me Journey. Well, we had a downpour all night last night, and I wanted to show you all, what it looks like out here. And but my lakefront is gone, so that's good. I bought some seeds to put down there. I might do this today, rake that and put the seeds in it. Okay, so this is the side of the property. Y'all, the air conditioning unit is really a good air conditioning unit. And look in front of in front of my water wheel. See a little pool of dirt. So this area here, when the guys, I'm going to bring some more dirt out. I'm most definitely going to have them fill in this area as much as possible. I think I'm going to get probably about another 5 loads. I think 4 or 5 loads. Now that little pound right there is supposed to go around to build it up so we can put we're going to put what they call a water dry mix, concrete mix on top of that. I'm going to do that. So this is after the rain. This is after the night downpour all night. This is the back. Mind you, been dry for a while, so about we hadn't had a downpour like this in a while. So, yeah, I'm gonna show the other area. My weeping willow, it's growing nicely, it's growing straight up. So I'm sure we'll be really happy today. And this hole here, we're gonna put this light here. This is the pole for my light that I bought. So we'll be setting that up soon too. We got the concrete for it. The way the back of it look. And family, I don't know if I told y'all, but I do have running water now inside the cabin. So I just open that little cap up right there on the end of that when I take my showers. And I just leave it open during the daytime. So in that way, when I get ready to take my shower, the water's running. It's not doing bad. And yesterday, I had the grass mowed. Yesterday, come out, we did the grass. I put all this stuff over here so we can kind of like have a little clear area here for him to work. And I put my, all this area is going to be our garden area. And all of this stuff might get fenced in. I'm seriously thinking about it. Boy, look at my grapevine. It's just really doing the thing. It's about time for it to show up and show off. About time. And there go my this is grapes. Okay. And fam, I got about 7 watermelons. Yesterday I was up in here trying to clean this stuff off some more. Potatoes. Yeah, I think the trash truck is coming up. Actually going out to put a bag of trash out. So let me grab this bag of trash. I hear some noise. It could be the trash truck. I don't want to miss that. This is the way the front look. Let's get the bag of trash out of the way. It's not cute like that. I'm getting ready to go on another road trip. Gotta head back to Houston. Doctor's appointment for tomorrow. I got 2 appointments scheduled tomorrow. It's going out to the driveway. And I've been cleaning up a little. Well, this is probably gonna take a little while to get all this cleaned up. Okay, get all that front area where all that bush has been burned. We set on fire a couple of weeks ago. And we'll start working on. Okay, see this part of the driveway right here? This is gonna be built up too. Then I'm building it up from right there, from that little area where that dirt. We're gonna bring it all the way up, on around by that tree over there, the large tree. Bring it up around that area. So just get y'all a little morning view what it looks like from the front. So I know I need to build this up because this is water. This is clean water. Yeah, we had downpour last night. Look at all this stuff they're looking for. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, y'all, I'm going in. Yeah, I have that. Okay. Oh, gee. Now I'm on the, look at that. Okay. Sorry, fam. I hope this will be better. Okay. So this is what I've been cleaning up. These little area here. So I've been cleaning this up. As he come and cut the bushes and all that, I'm pulling the stuff in the pile. I'm doing this and raking it up, clearing the ground as much as possible. Put them in the pile. Well, yeah, okay, the driveway feels pretty good right here. It was pretty hard, and it feels hard right here. So yesterday he started cutting trees. It looks like I'm still gonna have a little sunk in right here. Look at that water holding over here. It's all right. I'm gonna put some more right there. I need to. But guys, look how clear this is. And y'all get a better camera view when I come on my bag. I got the bag in my hand. Okay, I'm walking this part here. It's soft. I'm not gonna bring my car through here. No, I'm not bringing my car through this. Okay. The guy, he moved that rope. I'm gonna have him put that rope back or bring that other thing. Put back. Okay, see. Look at all my trash. These are like, you know, all the water jugs that I had been having. That I had the water jugs and just other stuff that I don't need. And so this is the front end of the property. He was working on this. I don't know what the trees that he cut. He cut some trees down. I heard it Mikey yesterday evening. So yeah, yesterday he was. This is the front property off from my driveway from the road. And you can pretty much see through there. I got that. It's a big tree. It's not the one I'm looking at, but it's a big tree gonna have to come out of there. It's really lean and it's rotten. So it's 2 big trees on the property, maybe 3. The one in the back of the house, then there's one up in here that I'm gonna have to cut down. When I get him started cutting trees down, I'm gonna cut those trees down. Look how thin that is, family. See how thin it out. And I have one magnolia tree. Where is it at? I do have a magnolia tree somewhere. I don't know. I wanted another. Oh yeah, we just passed her up. I almost set this magnolia tree on fire. See, she did get some burnt leaves. And just knocked them down. So this is what he's been working on yesterday. Thinning it out quite a bit. And y'all, I got some plans for this front. Don't think I'm just going to clearing this stuff out just because I do want to be able to see from the road. But I will have the medium, small, and the medium, small, medium, and large trees are going to stay. The tiny trees is coming up, and I'm going to have it scattered where that. I'm gonna tell y'all what my surprise is gonna be later. But I want to do something with this area later on, and I do have plans for it. So, and this might bring me a little money in. It may bring me a little cash. This is nice and clear here. This was already cleared up. So when he go in and knock and not come in and take that rake and rake that through and pull all this stuff about it, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a nice little setup for a little special thing that I want to do. So this is the front part of the property. You look through there, you can see my cabin. So I'm supposed to be getting my sewer system in. Family, I tell you what, these people here, down here, I don't even know what to say about them. They want to do work, but don't want to, once you pay them a lot of money for stuff, but don't want to do the work. And so I need to call a guy about the sewer system. He went up from $4,200 to $4,900, and that's I'm just not agreeing with. You have to explain what's $4,900 for. You have to explain that. That's just not fitting for all up out of my pocket. just for good sake. No. First 42, this is that there. How many feet from the back to the front? 200 feet. Oh, well, that's going to be $4,200. Then we have to use the pump the sewer from the back to the dish. But that was included. I'm not stupid. That's included. You're going to have a pump. Most sewer systems have pumps that you have to pump out. Once you put the pipe in, you pump out to the road. I ain't stupid. I'm like, damn. I'm just trying to get an understanding. Why so much thieving, lying, and robbery? I don't know why. People are so damn deceptive. Just do the work. Just do honest, just work. It's not that hard. You gotta be honest about stuff. So I ain't gonna agree with him at all. You're gonna find out today. Hold on, Sam. Let me do this here.